Hello everyone, this is Kanksha Gangapuram and you're watching Hybiz News.
Prime Minister Boris officially opened JCB's newest factory in India as the company strengthens its global manufacturing presence. With 11 factories in the UK, employing more than 7,500 people, JCB first began manufacturing in India in 1979 and is now the country's leading producer of construction equipment. Mr. Johnson visited JCB's latest factory in India, a Euro 100 million investment plant in Gujarat, which will fabricate parts for global production lines. The new factory is located in Vadodara, near the port city of Surat on the west coast of India. Joining the Prime Minister at the opening was JCB Chairman Lord Bamford, who led JCB's expansion in India in the late 1970s, including the opening of the first factory in Bhalabgra near Delhi. JCB has 6 factories in India at locations including Jaipur and Pune. Lord Bamford said, in its first year of full production, JCB India manufactured just 39 machines. By the next year, it will made a total of 500,000. This country is now a major engineering power and being here has transformed our business. It has been a fabulous success with so much more potential for growth. Such progress has been only possible by continued investment, and the opening of our new Gujarat faculty is an important step in our growing our business here and around the world.
Thank you for watching Hybiz News.